Can he jump? Yay! Oh my goodness. I've got a jumper. I've got a jumper. Hi, bunny. Christian just got a haircut yesterday. See? All that hair is gone. Let's see his legs in action. Ready? Da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. He's jumping. Very good, Christian. Very good, Christian.